Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna take off the old BMW steering wheel and put a race steering wheel, because I personally wanted to do it for ever since 4 years ago, before even I had a project car. It always seemed cool, and I guess it's better for driving. So let's start with the video, but like this video and consider subscribing. Alright guys, so I'm about to remove the steering wheel, but before that, excuse my mess in my trunk, but as you can see, my negative terminal is removed. I actually removed it 20 minutes ago. Usually they recommend like 30 minutes. Some people say 10 minutes. Some people say either 10 or 30 minutes to let the entire car discharge. I use like 30 minutes just to be safe. Okay, so if you go to the side of the steering wheel right here, like literally, you see this right here? This thing right here for your washer fluid or wiper blades. Right over here there's a spring-like thing. You press it with the flat head and the airbag should pop off. So I'm gonna try to get the airbag to pop first. Alright, so we did take this airbag off. When I say we, it wasn't me. I was stuck taking this out for like 40 minutes because apparently you gotta push these pins right here. And let me get the focus in. It was super difficult, so I went to Nick helped me out, so huge shout out to him. So now what we're gonna do is, you see that bolt right here, that's 16 millimeters. We're gonna take that off and the steering wheel should pop right off. Also, like, you can use it, a lot of people be using impacts, but I'm gonna be using a breaker bar just because I don't have an impact on me. But that's pretty tight, so I'd suggest you use a breaker bar to loosen that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's the bolt. Came off. Let's see the steering wheel. Kurva. Stuck. Never mind, I thought it's gonna be easy. Wait, let me put the camera down and let me yank it. Alright, so the steering wheel is off. All I have is a little wiring harness right here. I'm gonna take it off and then it should be off. Alright, so we did take off the old BMW steering wheel, the M steering wheel, and now we're gonna install the new steering wheel and the new hubs and the quick release. Alright, so we're gonna be unboxing the new items we got, so Sydney's unboxing them. That's a little BMW horn cap from Renown. What's this? Let's see that little sticker. Yeah, it's from USPL, I think, US Performance Part. Okay, let me get that in focus. Kurva. I'm not getting it in focus. Okay. Yep. That's the energy short hub. We've got some wiring harnesses just in case for the horn or the other buttons. That's dope of them giving us some wiring harness. And then same thing, another USPL. Sounds like a soccer league, UPSL, but no, it's a performance store. That's my favorite NRG short quick release hub. It's a shorty, like not a girl, but like a short quick release. And then there's the game changer, baby. Drum roll. And there it is, the little race steering wheel. How does it feel?
Bro, it's so good, bro.
Alright guys, so we're gonna be installing the shorty hub. But before you install, there's a little line right here that lines up. This is like where like the center shit is supposed to be, like the steering wheel. And you have a little line right here too. Yep, right here. And then they also left some empty spaces right here, so you don't have to take this off. So it goes in like this, and it's gonna fit, snug fit. And then this is the bolt we took off from the BMW steering wheel that holds the hub or that stock steering wheel in place, and we're just gonna rotate it in. Go, go, go. You are supposed to torque it to 46 feet-pounds of torque, I believe, but me being a dumbass, I don't have a torque stick right now, so I'll just hand tighten it, get a feel for it. I used to do a lot of brake jobs and oil changes, so I got a feel for it. I'm just kidding, don't take my advice on that.
Use your torque stick.
Alright guys, so now I'm using a ratchet to tighten this. So don't think I was just spinning it. I'm using a ratchet, so make sure you're using a ratchet. And hopefully you guys are using a torque stick if you're doing it. Alright guys, so I took off the part that goes to the steering wheel. This is the part that bolts onto the steering wheel. And then this is gonna go in, so tug the wires in right now. I'm not gonna do the horns or anything right now. And it comes with some screws, so we're gonna put the screws in it and screw it on. Now I just gotta align the screws. It's pretty dark and I don't have 20/20 vision, so I'm gonna try to align them. And I think they're kind of aligned. Alright guys, so this is the other half of the quick release. We're gonna bolt this on to the steering wheel, just like that. Line it up, and then we're gonna use the titanium bolts. Look at fresh raw titanium. Titanium is beautiful, and we're gonna be using it on the steering wheel. I'm gonna hand tighten them first. Alright guys, so it's bolted in. The titanium looks super dope. Let's see. I hope I adjusted it right.
Oh, such a nice sound.
Okay, I gotta figure it out how to put this in. Oh, you squeeze this in. Alright, before we do that, let's put the BMW horn button in.
Make it a little pretty.
Alright guys, so the steering wheel is finally in. You guys saw me earlier struggling over here, but I was watching another YouTube video to see like if anyone has ever installed, because I have the NRG Slim Quick Release. It's their new one, and the NRG short hub for the E46. And on the video, the other guy, he was like, I need a spacer to get it in, but it wasn't getting in. And then I took the quick release off, put them on together, and then put the steering wheel on. And if you see the steering wheel's kind of not aligned right, that's because I need an alignment. So now it's on right, but I'm gonna see if the mechanism works or not. And now I just have to install the horn button. Let's see for a startup. And also the airbag light is gonna be on because we took off the airbag, but there's a little pin like thing you can get to like cancel it out, but I'm gonna do that later. Yo, not gonna lie, but this right here, like, it feels so different, and I'm just so excited because I remember like 5 years ago or 6 years ago when I was way younger, like a teenager, I used to see people installing these wheels, and I was like, I can't wait till I get my project car and install these. Damn, it feels super sick. I can feel the road way better, and honestly, like, it just feels better in my hands. I don't know, like, I'm super excited. It feels different, and I feel like I'm in a race car, even though this is technically not a race car. It feels more like a go-kart. Like, alright, here, drop a gear, disappear. downshift. I hope no cops coming after us. But like literally with this, I feel like I'm driving a race car, even though I've never driven a race car. But it changes the entire like driving persona, or like the way the car feels, everything. Don't mind my Christmas lights over there. We're still celebrating Christmas, even though it's February.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Thanks for your help, man.
I love your car, bro. Alright, bro. Hey, thanks for dropping me off, huh?
Alright guys, so now I am driving home. It's kind of hard to record with one hand, but I'll catch you guys when I'm home. Alright guys, so I am home. The steering wheel feels dope, but I've said that like a million times. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys love the steering wheel as much as I do, because I'm in love with it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
I'm on the bed, don't want no flowers cause they simple pain. You don't look sad anyway. Wait, I see you smiling.